Hello friends, welcome to Learn English Fun Way. In this module, we will learn about the remaining punctuation marks. In Punctuation Part 1 module, we learnt about 4 punctuation marks: full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and comma. Now in Punctuation Part 2 module, we will learn about inverted commas, apostrophe, semicolon and colon. We use inverted commas to enclose the exact words or a dialogue of a speaker or a writer. The first letter inside the inverted commas is always capitalized. Inverted commas are also called as quotation marks. Example: Arijit said, "I have stood first in the race." She asked, "Where did you keep my watch?" Friends, here you can see the exact dialogues are kept in quotation marks. Note, these days, writers have started using single quotation marks for dialogues. Next comes the apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to indicate possession. Example: Seema's house. Next, it is also used when a plural noun ends in S. Add only an apostrophe and not apostrophe S to show possession. Examples: Students' club, which means a club of many students. Player's room, which means a room shared by many players. Number 3, for omitted letters. Friends, they are also known as contractions. Example: will not becomes won't, do not becomes don't, she will becomes she'll, so on and so forth. Next comes the semicolon. The semicolon indicates a longer pause than a comma. It is used to separate clauses of equal importance. Example: the rich are often stingy, the poor are generous. Number 2, to separate pairs of words separated by comma. Sent, sent, fair, fair, sun, sun. Friends, here you can see that there are words given that share the same pronunciation, but the spellings and the meanings are absolutely different. Number 3, to separate parts of sentences already separated by a comma. Example: we had a nice trip, semicolon, we went to Greece, Spain and Italy. Next comes the colon. The colon indicates a longer pause than a semicolon. It is used to introduce quotations. Example: Sunil said, "I am not interested in this idea." Number 2, to introduce a list in the sentence. Example: get me these things, colon, milk, sugar, tea leaves and ginger. Let's practice. Well done. Thank you.